The Appearance configuration page allows you to completely white-label your workspace, ensuring your learning portal feels like a native extension of your organization's brand. To access these settings, navigate to Configuration and select Appearance in the Admin Portal sidebar. The default Branding tab lets you replace the default TechClass visual assets with your own. You can upload a top menu logo, which will appear in the navigation bar across every portal. And a favicon, which is the small icon that appears in the Browser tab. You can also toggle the Hide TechClass branding switch to remove the Powered by TechClass text from the bottom of the sidebar for a seamless, fully native feel. Switch to the Domain tab to manage the web address your learners use to access the platform. Every workspace comes with a secure, built-in subdomain. However, if you want learners to use your own web address, you can enable a custom domain. Type your desired address and click Save. To ensure security, setting up a custom domain requires a two-step DNS verification process. The system will generate unique records that you must add to your DNS provider to prove ownership and route the traffic. Finally, the Tracking tab allows you to securely inject analytics scripts without dealing with raw HTML code. Simply enter your Google Analytics 4 Measurement ID or your Google Tag Manager Container ID and click Save.